Hey you guys, I am super excited to hop on and show you exactly how to use this vacuum storage bag kit. So this thing is super cool. It comes with two different sizes. So it comes with 2-gallon and 3-gallon bags. And it comes with the actual little vacuum pump. So this is what you're gonna use to deflate the bag when you are ready to suck all the air out of it. So what you do is you just are gonna open this up. You open the bag up right up top right here. You put in everything you need to put in, and then you're gonna seal the bag. So you're gonna seal it like a Ziploc. It just seals up like that. Then when we're ready, I'm gonna show you the rest of these steps, but this is super awesome. Here's the little vacuum. It's just USB-C chargeable, so it doesn't have to be plugged in to use it. You just have to make sure it's charged. It comes with a little bag that you can put it in when you're carrying it around. You guys, this is like game changer for vacations, for moving, for things where you never seem to have enough space. This, you can put your clothes in the bag, vacuum seal them up, and you're ready to go. Like, this is brilliant. This is the smartest invention. I am super excited about it, and they make it so simple. So you really, like, if you just follow the very simple instructions, you're not gonna mess it up. And not only am I gonna show you the instructions, they have the instructions on the bag. So it's just like that reminder of exactly what steps you need to take in order to get this done. All right, you guys, so here you go. You're gonna zip up the top tight like a Ziploc bag. Super, super easy. You just wanna make sure it's tight so that when you put the little air pump on it, that it's actually able to seal it. So right here, you can see I'm gonna put it up tight. I have my clothes in there. You could fill this bag way more than I have it filled right now. I just wanted to do a little demonstration. Then you're gonna take that cap off and you're gonna push out as much of the air as you can just manually. So I've gotten a decent amount of air out, and then I'm gonna grab my little pump, you attach it, and literally all you do is press the power button. So power on, and then you can see this sucking the air out of the bag like really quickly. This is super, super efficient. It does not take a long time. It's not adding a lot to what you're doing, but it is making it so that you can fit so much more stuff. So I'm going to hold this up. You can see this is an airtight bag, totally sealed. All the air's out of it. You could fit way more in this bag. This is so awesome. So, so cool. I'm going to give you a closer look. All right, you guys, so here's the final product. You can see, I mean, you could fit a lot more clothes in here, which is awesome. They give you a max fill line right up top. So if you fill your clothes up to there, then you're good. But you can totally see this sucked all of the extra air out. And now my clothes are nice and in here. They are kept folded. I folded them before I put them in. But then I have room. I don't have clothes that are like big, huge sweatshirts. This is a sweatshirt right here. And look, it's taking up hardly any room now, instead of how when you're packing sweatshirts in a suitcase and they take up all of the room. You guys, this is amazing and so easy. And like, seriously, you saw how simple that was, and it works really, really quickly. So this is gonna minimize the amount of stuff you need to pack, as well as the time for packing. I love this. And then you just put the cap back on, and when you're ready to take it off, you just come here and then you can remove all the air. Brilliant, you guys. I 100% recommend.